up to the sacral is parasympathetic outflow. The effects of this system are more widespread and prolonged. Sympathetic. Now, mas prolonged and then widespread ang action sa sympathetic kaysa parasympathetic. Okay. Okay, tell me if it is sympathetic or parasympathetic. Listen. Sympathetic. No, it's in the book. I think it's your time to read your book. What is sympathetic and parasympathetic? Okay. Tell me if this is sympathetic or parasympathetic. Erect.
Parasympathetic.
So the opposite of that is parasympathetic. Sympathetic. Okay, remember please read the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic. Now, there are two outflow. The thoracolumbar outflow and the craniosacral outflow. The thoracolumbar outflow, its effect is parasympathetic asa magsugod iyang flow from here up to the lumbar. Whereas the craniosacral is from the head up to this peak sacrum. So naamoy mga peripheral nerves dira. So that is sympathetic.